Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel all state phone insurance. Okay, so first of all you need to type cancel all state phone insurance on Google and you will see this first link, and you can select this option like cancellation squaretrade.com. You can cancel your insurance by using squaretrade.com website. Okay, and first of all you need to visit on this page. On this page you will see enter your plan ID, enter your name, your last name, your EMI number. And how you can get your EMI number? You just need to simply dial star has 06 has. Okay, and you need to provide your name, which is your registered phone number, and you need to provide your email ID, which is your associate email ID with your plan, and you need to select your plan, and you need to select why you want to cancel, and then you can click on cancel plan. And once your request is submitted, their customer support will verify your details and they will provide you a confirmation email that your confirmation is done. Okay, and if you will not get any kind of reply from their side, it means your plan is active. You can contact with the customer support team and you can ask for proof of cancellation also. Okay, so by using this way you can easily cancel your all state phone insurance. But if you are going to contact with the customer support team, you need to contact with their you can like with the Square Trade. Okay, so you need to find out Square Trade customer support number, and once you get their phone number you can contact them. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.